Okay, everybody, this is Noel with yesVIRTUAL, and I want to explain to you our After Dark call center service. This service is specifically to help answer the phones for you in your office, either after hours of the week or on the weekends when you're closed. It can also be engaged and turned on during holidays or half days, those types of things. But the main focus is really to handle those true emergencies that come in after hours so that your team doesn't have to answer those calls. We can open an emergency work order right within your property management software system, contact the vendor, and help coordinate them getting to the house as needed. For non-emergency things, we can still open the work order and advise your tenant that someone will be in touch the next day. And for those random, leasing or customer service calls, we could forward that note to your team so that they can respond in the morning, and you get to promote that you offer 24/7 service on your phones. For more information, check out our website, yesVIRTUAL.com. Click on the Get More Info button, and we're happy to discuss this further.